Furnace Repair by Austin Air Company, serving Katy, Texas 832-475-6895. This is a Ray Austin HVAC service company. New customer service complaint. The furnace is making a rumbling sound. Okay, this is a clip that shows the underside of the blower housing where the motor sits in. It shows that the bearings are leaking oil. It's blown something, and I've also got a clip coming up showing the oil residue in the base of the cabinet. And these are permanently lubed, permanently sealed bearings. It shows the oil on the part of the motor. It also shows the oil residue down in the base of the cabinet. This motor is permanently lubed, permanently sealed, so there is no oiling, so that shows that the motor is on its way out. Okay, this part of the clip is just showing the overall operation of the furnace.
Yeah, notice the shake, rattle, and roll is gone. Ultimately, bad blower wheel. I've actually seen them worse than that. I've actually seen them blown apart, but it wouldn't have been much longer and the thing would have been blown apart. And as you'll see in the video, I show that the oil pattern around the base of the motor likely is due to failed bearing. So it's a good thing that we went ahead and changed the motor on this too, even though the motor hadn't fully failed, because it'd probably be less than a year and that motor would fail anyway. This furnace is a 58 STA, very common problem, and yeah, it is what it is. So unit's back up online and running as it should. You notice there is a little jiggle to it, but that's completely normal. You're going to have some vibration, but it's a builder grade entry-level starter unit. So anyways, back online. Thanks for watching.
For Austin Air Company, my name's Ray Austin. I hope you have a comfortable day, and thank you for watching. No, you're supposed to elevate the head so the mercury will flow to